Hello friends, welcome to the another video of operation of KUKA robot. Description: different functions are available in the KSS depending on the user group. The following user group are available: operator. User group for this operator. This is the default user group. User group for the operator. By default, the user group's operator and user are defined for the same target group. Expert. User group for the programmer. This user group is protected by means of a password. Safety recovery. This user group can activate and configure the safety configuration of the robot. This user group is protected by means of a password. Safety maintenance. This user group is only relevant if KUKA safe operation or KUKA safe range monitoring is used. The user group is protected by means of a password. Administrator. The range of functions is the same as that for the user group expert. It is additionally possible in this user group to integrate plugins into the robot controller. This user group is protected by means of a password. The default password is KUKA. The password can be changed. When the system is booted, the default user group is selected. If the module is switched to AUT or AUT external, the robot controller switches to the default user group for safety reasons. If a different user group is desired, subsequently, if no actions are carried out in the user interface within a certain period of time, the robot controller switches to the default user group for safety reasons. The default setting is 300 seconds. Next is changing operation mode. Do not change the operating mode while a program is running. If the operating mode is changed during program execution, the industrial robot is stopped with a safety stop to. Precondition: the robot controller is not executing a program. Key for a switch for calling the connection manager. Procedure: on the smart pad, turn the switch for the connection manager. The connection manager is displayed. Select the operating mode. Return the switch for the connection manager to its original position. The selected operating mode is displayed in the status bar of the smart pad. Operating mode T1 used for test operation, programming and teaching. Velocities: program verification, program velocity maximum 250 mm per second. Jog mode, jog velocity maximum 250 mm per second. T2 for test operation, program verification, programmed velocity, jog mode not possible. AUT for industrial robots without higher level controllers. Program mode, programmed velocity, jog mode not possible. AUT external for industrial robots with higher level controllers, example PLC. Program mode, programmed velocity, jog mode not possible. Next is coordinate systems. Overview: the following Cartesian coordinate systems are defined in the robot controller: world, rob, root, base, tool. Overview of coordinate systems. Description: world. The world coordinate system is permanently defined Cartesian coordinate system. It is the root coordinate system for the root and base coordinate systems. By default, the world coordinate system is located at the robot base. Root. The root coordinate system is a Cartesian coordinate system which is always located at the robot base. It defines the position of the robot relative to the world coordinate system. By default, the root coordinate system is identical to the world coordinate system. Root allows the definition of an offset of the robot relative to the world coordinate system. Base. The base coordinate system is Cartesian coordinate system that defines the position of the workpiece. It is relative to the world coordinate system. By default, the base coordinate system is identical to the world coordinate system. It is offset to the workpiece by the user. Tool. The tool coordinate system is a Cartesian coordinate system which is located at the tool center point. By default, the origin of the tool coordinate system is located at the flange center point. In this case, it is called the flange coordinate system. The tool coordinate system is offset to the tool center point by the user. Angles of rotation of the robot coordinate system. Angle ABC, rotation about axis, rotation about the z axis, rotation about the y axis, rotation about the x axis. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll continue from jogging the robot.